Finished? What did you do? You want to show me? What have you done? Have you shredded it for me? Yeah. Doing really well, getting paint absolutely everywhere. Clean my hands a little bit. This is before I've even started. Let's get you to the edge. Get me to the edge on time. Howdy everybody and welcome. It's kind of afternoon, but I got new stuff. I bought myself some paint, some good paint. Lots of different choices, and we're gonna have a play. Also got some black canvas boards. We'll see what we get. Now, what colour should I pick? Zephyr. Okay, we'll be a bit more organised than that. House and oil medium for white. Okie dokie. Start with that. This is Persian green. Me using green. You do not know. This is random. The shocking colour of the combination. That might be a bit thick. We'll go around here. Put some Persian green in there. This probably should be enough paint. Right, one colander. Let's remove the Tangelo and start pouring. Silver and Persian green mixing. It looks like Arabic script. We have more success this time than the last time because already the paint is coming through. It's looking good. Paint is inconsistent. I'm not using orange this time. Going another lilac. And then this. Around the outside. Yeehaw. Around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. It's the return of the Slinky. It's the return of the Slinky. The return of the Slinky. And I'm going to put this like that. They're going pink. Gosh! Okay, we have an addition. Let's swoosh that round like that a bit. Happy accident! Yay! I don't quite know how happy that was, but oops. And then bang the camera. Wow, we're doing really well. We have a cup. I'm going to pour backwards and forwards across this. Pick straight out the middle and hope that I can carry it away without banging it off as it is handed. Well, there we go. They've dried. I've just finished painting another one, so my hands are covered in paint. But I thought, while I'm set up and doing this, I'd show you the results. First up, we have, this is called the Can-Can Dancer. Can you see it? Head, ruffles of her skirt, her legs. It dried a lot darker than it started off when it was wet. Not bad. Bit random. If you like it, tell me. Second up, we have, this has become known as Carol. It was called Coral and got misheard, and it's now called Carol. Carol is a demon, as you can see. I've added her teeth and her eyes into the picture to make her stand out. Out of a painting came a demon. Do you see some very dark things in my paintings, like caves of ghosts and things like that? If you like it, let me know. All available. You can always buy them off me. Like the sweatshirts and the t-shirts from Teespring, link below. Third, I'm thinking it's much more this way. So there we go. 3 very different paintings. I do like Carol. I think she's quite cool. But that's it. That's another attempt at flow art, and I hope you liked this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below. If you think somebody would like this or would like to try it or something, click the share button and send it. And if you're not already, and there's a lot of you out there who are not, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and come back each week for being in London, or being creative, or being in London and being creative. Who knows what will happen next, where we'll go, what we'll find and what we'll do. Only you will if you come back next time. Until then, see you later. Bye.